If you're looking to build a profitable referral program, PartnerStack is an excellent platform to help you do just that. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to leverage PartnerStack to create a referral program that can boost your revenue, expand your reach, and grow your brand. Stick with me until the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer that gives you access to PartnerStack completely free with bonus features. So don't miss out. PartnerStack is all about helping businesses grow through partnerships, and one of the key ways to do this is by building a strong referral program. First things first, when you sign up for PartnerStack, you get a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage your partners, track referrals, and measure the success of your campaigns. The setup process is incredibly user-friendly, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Once you're in, the first step is creating your referral program. You'll want to customize your program to suit your business goals. PartnerStack allows you to set up different kinds of commission structures, from one-time payments to recurring commissions, so you can incentivize your partners in the way that works best for your business. Next, PartnerStack lets you choose how to track the referrals. You'll get a unique referral link for each partner, and every time someone signs up or makes a purchase through that link, it's tracked automatically. This helps ensure you only pay for valid referrals and keeps your entire program transparent. Another powerful feature that PartnerStack offers is the ability to manage partner payouts. You can set up automatic payments for your partners, saving you time and ensuring that your partners are always paid on time. You can even customize payout schedules and commission rates, making your referral program as flexible as you need it to be. PartnerStack's partner portal is also a game changer. It allows your partners to track their performance, see how many referrals they've generated, and access any resources you've provided, such as banners or content they can use to promote your business. This self-service feature keeps your partners motivated and engaged while also freeing up your time. As you continue building your referral program, you'll want to tap into the analytics that PartnerStack provides. The platform gives you detailed reports on how well your referral program is performing, which channels are generating the most leads, and which partners are bringing in the most business. This data is crucial for tweaking your strategy and scaling your program effectively. One of the key benefits of using PartnerStack for your referral program is the ability to scale quickly. PartnerStack makes it easy to onboard new partners, track performance, and manage your relationships without needing a full-time team to handle it. This gives you the ability to scale your program rapidly without sacrificing quality or customer service. And here's a little secret. PartnerStack isn't just for SaaS companies or large enterprises. Whether you're running a small business or just getting started, this platform can work for you too. Their pricing is incredibly competitive, and you can even start using the platform for free by signing up through the link in the description below. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you of something important. You can use PartnerStack for free, and by signing up through the link below, you'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. To quickly recap, PartnerStack gives you everything you need to create, track, and manage a profitable referral program. From customizable commission structures to detailed analytics, it's all here. And remember, if you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get a free extended trial with some added bonuses that can help you start building your referral program with no upfront costs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.